Google Ads is a Google online advertising platform started in 2000, and Google Ads is a product that you can use and promote your businesses and help to sell the product or services, raise awareness and increase the traffic to your website. It is a paid product of the Google, and they will cut the amount on your click. So it is also called as a sponsored ads or a paid listing. So in the Google Ads campaign, there are the 9 different types of the advertising you can do. Search ads, performance ads, display ads, shopping ads, video ads, apps, and smart campaigns and discovery. These are the different types of the advertising. In each search network, Google Ads campaign type, search network is also one of the important advertising. Like this only you are going to do the campaign on the display network. Display network is a collection of the websites including the specific Google Ads website such as a Google Finance, Gmail, Blogger, YouTube. More than 400 billion websites that are part of this network. Like this only you are going to study in depth of the each different types of the Google advertising platform in this course. Then why you are waiting? Grab this opportunity to learn the Google advertising with me. Hi everyone, this is Bharti Ravindra here from SRP Technology. I am digital marketing trainer. More than 15 years of experience in the including IT and as well as digital marketing. Taught more than the thousands of the students in colleges, institutes, online and offline, and most of the students are happy with my teaching, and whatever I learned from my mentors and through online and offline, everything I kept in one platform so that I can help my students that without wasting the time they can learn and go their career and live their business smoothly. So that's in that intention I started my YouTube channel, and giving the complete information from the scratch to the advanced level. Here we are going to cover AI tools and software tools so that help or increase our work to do the fast. So I encourage you, I suggest you to join the Google Ads course and grab this opportunity to understand, apply in your life. Thank you. Have a great day.